Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust temperature video on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps, and after this, in here, if you wanna open your project, and after this, in here, if you wanna adjust the temperature on your video, it's so pretty simple. So you just click on the filters at the bottom, and after this, in here you just click on the adjust, and for the adjust, in here you can swipe until you can see temperature. You just click on it, and then in here you can swipe left or right this icon to adjust the temperature, like this or like this, like this. Okay, and after this, in here you just click on the check icon at the bottom, and now you can setting the temperature adjust to all videos. So that's how to adjust the temperature video on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.